to everyone. Last class we have discussed methods of valuation of goodwill. There are three methods are there: average profit method, super profit method and capitalization method. The average profit may be either simple average profit or weighted average profit. Today's session we are going to do sums from these two methods: simple average profit method and weighted average profit method. Let me read question. Take page number 133, sum number 1. Under simple average profit method, formula for finding goodwill: average profit into number of years of purchase. This number of years of purchase will be given in the question itself. Then how do you find out average profit? So average profit equal to total profit divided by number of years. Question number 1. The following are the profits of a firm in the last 5 years. 5 years profits are given. So we are going to calculate goodwill. 2014, 10,000 profit, 15 rupees 11,000, 16, 12,000, 17 rupees 13,000 and 18 rupees 14,000. Calculate the value of goodwill at 2 years purchases of average profit. Just you note it. This will be used for finding goodwill. This number of years. So this number of years of purchases. Here is 2 years of purchases of average profit of these 5 years. These 5 years. So how to calculate value of goodwill? Let me see. Now write the formula for finding goodwill. Goodwill equal to average profit into number of years of purchase. So how to find out average profit? Equal to total profit divided by number of years. Total profit. Look at the first year 2014, 10,000, 15, 11,000, 16, 12,000, 17, 13,000 and 18, 14,000. So these 5 year profit divided by 5. These 5 years profit. So if we add these 5 amount, we got 60,000 divided by 5. So use 5 table and we got 12,000. 12,000 denotes average profit. Now we want to calculate goodwill. For finding goodwill, average profit into number of years of purchase. So we got average profit 12,000. Number of years of purchase already given in the question, 2 years purchases. So write that you have to take this 2 from the question. So 12,000 into 2, 24,000. So final answer goodwill we got rupees 24,000. Now read question number 2. From the following information, calculate the value of goodwill on the basis of 3 years purchase. You circulate. This will be used for finding goodwill. Average profit into number of years purchase. That means average profit into 3. So goodwill on the basis of 3 years purchases of average profits of last 4 years. Look at 2015 profit 5,000, 16 profit 8,000, 17 they made loss 3,000, 18 profit 6,000. So in this question, particular year 2017, they made loss. So how to find out goodwill? Let me see. Write the formula because formula carries step mark. We want to calculate goodwill. Formula for finding goodwill equal to average profit into number of years of purchase. Average, how do you find out average profit? Total profit divided by number of years. First you have to calculate or add all the profit. 2,000 profit year amount 5,000. 16 8,000, and year 18 2018 they made profit. So add all the amount profit 5,000 plus 8,000 plus 6,000, 19,000. Then minus loss. They made particular year 2017, they made loss. That loss amount should be deducted. So 19,000 profit minus 3,000 divided by how many number of years? These 4 years divided by 4. So 16,000 divided by 4. So simplify this amount, use 4 table, 4,000 average profit we found. Now calculate goodwill, average profit into number of years of purchase, average profit 4,000 into 3. 3 number of years of purchase, this number it is available in the question itself, 3 years of purchase. So 4,000 into 3, 12,000. So final answer goodwill equal to rupees 12,000. Read question number 3. From the following information relating to a particular firm, find out the value of its goodwill based on 3 years purchase. So, for finding goodwill, this number of years should be multiplied with average profit. 3 years purchase of average profits of the last 4 years. So, profits of the year 15, 16, 17 and 18 are 10,000, 12,500, 12,000 and 11,500 respectively. So profit for all these 4 years are given here. The business was looked after by a partner and his fair remuneration amounts to rupees 1,500 per year. This amount was not considered in the calculation of the above profit. So let me see how to calculate goodwill. So this adjustment is given. Previous sum, without this adjustment, we have calculated goodwill. Now in this question, they have given adjustment in the name of remuneration, 1,500 per year. So in this situation, how to calculate goodwill? Let me see. Write the formula. Average profit equal to total profit divided by number of years. This question, 4 years profits are given. 10,000 plus 12,500 plus 12,000 plus 11,500 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4 years profit. So divided by 4. We add all these 4 year profit. We got 46,000 divided by 4. So divide, use 4 table. We got average profit 11,500. So average profit before adjusting fair remuneration of the partner. In this question, one adjustment is given. The business was looked after by a partner and his fair remuneration amounts to rupees 1,500 per year. So this should be deducted from the average profit. So less fair remuneration of partners. If you want to get actual profit, less additional expenses expected to be paid in the future. According to this norm, we are deducting this fair remuneration of partners from the average profit. So 11,500 minus fair remuneration 1,500. So we got actual average profit 10,000. We got average profit. We have to calculate goodwill. Formula, goodwill equal to average profit into number of years of purchase. This number of years of purchase already given in question, 3 years of purchase. So average profit this 10,000 into 3, that 3 years of purchase given in question. 10,000 into 3, 30,000. So finally we got goodwill value rupees 30,000. Just enter these sum number 1, 2, 3 in your class work note and go through illustration sums also. So remaining sums we will discuss in next class. Thank you.